Friends, hello everyone. Welcome to this channel, and in this video, I will tell you and also show you how you can easily mute a sent message in WhatsApp application on your iPhone. Friends, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Be sure to put your likes under this video, and also friends, write your comments after watching. And let's get you and I started. And if you're distracted or annoyed by the sound of a text message being sent, or you don't want anyone to hear it, it's very easy to mute it. To do this, please open the WhatsApp app on your iPhone and then go to Settings at the bottom. Next, select the Notifications option. Now you will need to find this option right here. And when you open it, you will see here Sounds. You will need to click on this button so that you can turn off the sound of the message you're sending. If you need to turn off the vibration, if it bothers you too, then click on the same thing next to vibration. Now the sounds of the sent message will not disturb you. This is the very quick and simple way you can easily mute the sound of sent message in WhatsApp on your iPhone. I hope, friends, that this video has helped you. Please don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and also friends, put your likes below the video. Bye-bye.